Hello, welcome back to this another episode of this mathematics channel, Daily Dose of Mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about the equation of this straight line. Okay, so we are going to discuss how the equation of a straight line, if a y-intercept is given to us, then how is the equation? If the x-intercept is given to us, then what is the equations? Okay, now you can see the figure over here. This is a straight line. This straight line makes an angle theta with respect to the positive x-axis, the x-axis, okay? It's not positive, just x-axis. So, you can see here, theta is the angle of inclination. This is called angle of inclination, okay? Then, can we make tan theta? This is equal to slope. So, I am going to write this is equal to m, slope. And this AB intersect the y-axis. This y-axis and this AB intersect the y-axis at this point C. Okay. So now from this origin, what is the distance of C? Suppose we are going to take this is equal to C distance, small c. Okay. Now, suppose there is a point on this straight line AB. That coordinate of this point is x comma y, and I am going to name that point is equal to P. So what is x comma y? What x comma y means how far this point away from this origin along x-axis, that is equal to x, and how far away from this point away from origin along y-axis, that is equal to y. So this distance is the x distance, okay, this is x distance, and this distance is y distance. That's why the coordinate is x and y. So now I'm going to draw a perpendicular from C point on quoting P to M. So this is equal to CM. So CM is perpendicular to PL. Okay. And this point is M. Since OL is equal to X distance, that's why CM also is equal to X distance. Okay. Now this angle and this angle will be same because they are similar angle. Okay. Now this distance is equal to C distance and the entire distance is equal to Y distance. So what is the distance from P to M? This distance, because the entire distance is what? Y, and this distance is C. That's why this distance will be PM will be equal to Y minus C. So Y minus C is equal to PM. Okay. Now can you see this right angle triangle PCM? Okay, in this right angle triangle, this is equal to 90 degree and this is equal to theta. But we know that tan theta, this tan theta is equal to what? Height by base. This height by base. But what is tan theta? This height is equal to y minus c divided by what is base? Base is equal to x. So tan theta is equal to m. This m is equal to y minus c by x. That's what I have done here. Okay, that's what I have done here. Now I am going to replace this tan theta by m, and pm means what? Y minus c by x. So if I'm going to multiply, see, you just keep this y minus c one side and bring this x to other side. So that is going to be, this x will be multiplied with m. So that is equal to y is equal to mx, y minus c is equal to mx. So now this negative c, if I'm going to add both sides c, then this c will cancel out. That's why the answer will be y is equal to mx plus c. This is the final answer we have got. So what exactly, basically this m stands for the slope of the tangent, okay, the slope of the line AB, and this C is y-intercept. Now you can see here, this C is y-intercept and this is the angle of inclination. So we need to find what is theta and what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to m. So if this y-intercept is there, then the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of straight line. Okay. suppose equation एमती अच्छी है सपोज एमती अच्छी है व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस स्ट्रेट लाइन देखो ये अच्छी एटा अच्छी एक्स इंटरसेप्ट है एटा अच्छी एक्स इंटरसेप्ट सपोज सम डिस्टेंस इज गिवन हियर देन कैन वी राइट लाइक दिस if x intercept is given then we can write my plus c. Now m is the slope of that what is this one equal to theta, so this m is equal to what angle of inclination which is created by this line with the y-axis, and this c is equal to x intercept. Then this will be the equation. Okay, another case, if the straight line passes through origin, so there is no intercept, that's why there is no x-intercept, there is no y-intercept, so y will be equal to mx. Only we need is this angle of inclination, this m we need, so you need to find what is tan of theta, this theta. So the final answer is y is equal to mx plus y is equal to mx. Okay, this is the equation of the straight line which is passing through the origin. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. Okay, next one I am going to discuss here. Here you see the equation of the line in a point slope form. What is the equation of the line in a point slope form? The equation of a line with slope m and the passing through a point xy, x1, y1 is given by this one. Okay, so you see here this is the line, AB line, which creates an angle theta with respect to the positive, with respect to this x-axis. Okay, so now this theta and this theta will be similar. Okay, and this is the coordinate of that point. If this point is passing through x1, y1, this is the point which is passing through this point. This line is passing through this point, and this is theta. Now we need to find the equation of this straight line which is passing through the point A of x1, y1. The coordinate is x1, y1. It means this distance is x1 distance and this distance is y1 distance. Okay, now suppose one point is residing on this line xy, then what is the equation of the straight line? So can we write like this? So tan theta, you see here this distance is what? The entire distance is y because this is y, but this distance is y1, that's why y minus y1. This distance is y minus y1. Okay, you have understood? Now similarly you can find the distance is equal to x minus x1 distance. Now what is tan theta? Tan theta will be, now you check this triangle, right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, this is theta, this is 90 degree. So if this is theta, then what is tan theta? Tan theta will be height divided by the base, right? What is the height? Y minus y1 divided by what is the base? Base equal to x minus x1. But what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to slope m is equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So I am going to bring this x minus x1, means I am going to multiply both sides by this x minus x1. So this will be equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. This is multiplied with x minus x1. Again this m is multiplied with x minus x1. So nothing is going to change. So this x minus x1 and x minus x1 will cancel. So the final answer will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of a straight line which passes through some point A of x1, y1 is given, and we are given the slope. This will be the equation of the straight line. Okay, next one, equation of a line in 2-point form. Okay, you see here this is the straight line which makes an angle of inclination theta with respect to this x-axis. Now we need to find what is the equation of this straight line which is passes through two given point. देखो ये दीटा point हमको दिया है. We need to find the angle of we need to find the equation of this straight line. Suppose if I am going to say that this is a point P, x1, y1 is given. I mean it's not given. xy, this is the point we need to find. Okay, because the equation must have in terms of some x and y, right? So आमे जानी थिले जे जदि गोटे स्ट्रेट लाइन दिया दीटा पॉइंट दिया है देन केमिति आमे ये जो स्ट्रेट लाइन दिया तार tan थीटा केमिति बाहर करबा आमे पढ़िथिले तो ये जो tan थीटा आमे बाहर करबा ए लाइन रो tan थीटा केते बा स्लोप केते सपोज m इज इक्वल टू स्लोप सो दिस विल बी y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 that is the slope এই লাইন को যদি एक्सटेंड भी कर देले तार स्लोप भी सेम हेबो सो नाउ यू जस्ट टेक दिस पॉइंट एंड दिस पॉइंट सो y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 right now this will be also equal to m now just equate this both equation this m equate if I'm equating this both slopes this is the equation we are getting y minus y2 instead of here I took x minus x1 but here I took this point okay this b point that's why y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 that is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 okay now y minus y2 this is equal to this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 when it is multiplied then it is going to be x minus x2 okay that's why this is the equation of a straight line which is passes through 2 points these 2 points is given to us okay and from these 2 points we can find the slope so what is the slope of y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 that one is written here so that is nothing but slope okay I think you have understood this one next equation of a line in an intercept form it means suppose this is a rectangular coordinate now intercept means suppose this is a straight line a and b okay suppose this is a this is b point now this one is a this length is a and this length is b then the equation of the line will be x by x intercept plus y by y intercept is b is equal to 1 okay we are going to derive that you see here this is equal to AB straight line you see here AB straight line okay now the coordinate of this देखो ये जो A line रे coordinate कौन है वो since A line रे y coordinate is always 0 that's why suppose this is a distance away this A point is a distance away from this origin O that's why the coordinate is a 0 okay A is anything A is any real number next this b is equal to OB okay because in this y axis x coordinate is 0 always that's why 0b means we can this b is also real number it can be anything like 1 2 3 4 5 anything okay so it is equal to 0b and a0 okay suppose any other point over here is existing suppose this is equal to x comma y then the slope of this PA will be the slope of PB right and the slope of AB also will be the slope of PA okay so from there can we write like this suppose this is equal to P of x comma y so I am going to write y minus 0 I am taking the slope of this PA so y minus 0 divided by x by a x minus a that will be always equal to the slope of this line because they are the same line right so slope will be b minus 0 divided by what 0 minus a okay so that's what I have done here now you see y minus 0 is equal to y and x minus a is equal to x by a x minus a okay now 0 minus b is equal to minus b by a minus 0 is equal to a okay now you keep this y as it is and minus b is there and here x minus 1 if I am going to multiply it here and I will bring this b down so it is going to be y by b देखो ये जिनसटा डिवाइड किथिला if it will go to right hand side it is going to be multiplied ये जिनसटा multiply किथिला if it comes to the left hand side it is going to be divided that's why आमु किछि करे नै y by b is equal to minus of x minus a by a हैला then y by v will be equal to बर्तमान ये जो ब्राकेट अच्छी से ब्राकेट को तुम कौन खोली दियो खोलीदे कौन हम माइनस एक्स डिवाइड बाई ए माइनस माइनस प्लस ए बाई ए ओके नाउ दिस माइनस एक्स बाई ए एपटे नेगेटिव थिला इफ इट कम्स टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इट इज गोइंग टू बी एक्स बाई ए पॉजिटिव हो वाई बाई बी okay now what is a by a is equal to 1 so this is the final answer this is called the equation of a line in the intercept format so what is this a and what is this b these are the distance eta hoche x intercept jetu eta hoche x axis eta hoche y axis eta hoche a intercept eta hoche y intercept eta hoche x intercept hoche a and y intercept hoche b that's why x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of a line in the intercept format. Okay. Now, it's last not the least. This is called perpendicular form. Okay. Now again you see this is a straight line. We need to find the equation of this straight line. But the condition is given here. Suppose this is a perpendicular from O to this line AB. It is 90 degree. You can see this triangle 90 degree out the a जो कौन ओ एन टा कौन करुच्ची एंगल केते अल्फा विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू एक्स एक्सिस तो परपेंडिकुलर टाणले ये ट्रायंगल बर्तमान देख ये ट्रायंगल बर्तमान देख ये ट्रायंगल रे ये कोण होची 90 डिग्री ये कोण होची अल्फा जदि ये कोण अल्फा हैला ता माने बर्तमान एठी भी देखो एठी भी कोण ये कोण 90 डिग्री माने ये कोण भी 90 डिग्री कहीं ना पूरा एंटारटा 180 बट 1 is 90 degree so another will be 90 degree बुझा पड़ला so देखो angle AON the angle AON is equal to alpha so angle BON will be angle BON this will be how much 90 minus alpha हैला this will be 90 minus alpha it was the alpha हैला तो it will be 90 minus alpha angle BON so angle OBN will be alpha here बुझा पड़ा now triangle ON है a triangle ON रे देखो वर्तमान a triangle ON रे what is sec theta since this is alpha it was alpha हैला माने what is sec theta will be always h by b since this is theta but this is alpha right so sec theta will be h माने कोन this is it is right angle रो एटा होची थीटा ता पय एटा b माने कोन p हेबो एटी देखो तो OA divided by ON this is equal to sec theta but sec alpha sorry but what is ON is equal to p so OA will be equal to p into sec theta okay so but sec alpha so that's why OA is equal to p into sec alpha similarly what is cosec theta for this triangle cosec theta will be but h by p but this is alpha so this will be h so h by p is equal to cosec theta okay then this is the OB this is OB is equal to p into cosec theta that's why OB is equal to p into cosec theta so AB is the line makes an intercept with x axis and y axis so we know the intercept form of a straight line if intercept is given this is OA this is OB hela this is intercept of x intercept is OA and y intercept is OB so x by OA plus y by OB is equal to 1 this is the thing that we have studied here okay here instead of A we can write OA OB so now you see here but what is OA exactly OA means p cos theta that's why I am replacing p cos theta here and what is OB here OB means p cosec theta so I am replacing p cosec theta but we know that sec alpha will be equal to 1 by cos alpha so 1 by sec alpha will be equal to cos alpha so the similarly it is nothing but 1 by sec alpha that is nothing but cos alpha similarly 1 by cosec alpha that is equal to sin alpha so x by p cos alpha plus y by p sin alpha that is equal to 1 then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to this pp that is the LCM so this LCM will be multiplied here on the right hand side, so it is going to be P. So this is the normal form of a equation of a straight line. Okay, if the distance is from, suppose the distance of this straight line from O to O is given, a O ru straight line kete deyichi mon distance deyichi P, and this alpha is given to us hela, jo normal ta jo ON is normal to kono AB, যদি एंगल केते एंगल फॉर्मेशन करूची एंगल ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन अल्फा যদি हमको दियाइछि, then this is the equation of a straight line. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. I hope you have understood this one. If you don't understand, please write in the comment box. Otherwise, you can text me in WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you.